On the issue of Bete Amongi and the Honorable Dr. Aceng, for me, I know first and foremost, I'm a member of NRM. And Honorable Jane Luther Aceng is the flag bearer of NRM. She even contributes money to the party. So when I am here, I have an obligation to speak for a flag bearer of NRM. We are here to support the work of NRM, the leaders of NRM, and the flag bearers of NRM. We received a report at the Secretariat that some people in Lango were involved in corruption. And they expected the Honorable Minister to help them, but Honorable Minister refused it. I don't know who those people are because I don't come from Lango, but we shall go. When I go back to the Secretary General, I'll look up that report and then read it again to find out who are these people in Lango who are involved in the corruption. And then they are also fighting the minister. Is it true or is it not true? I don't know. It is the people of Lango who know. But me, I cannot get involved in that. I can only talk for Aceng and as much as he's a flag bearer. Two, I can speak for Aceng in as much as he's a minister in the government. I can also support the work of Bete Amongi as Minister for Gender. But for coming here to fight and then put the people of Lango to fight, I will take the words of Bishop Olwa yesterday. He said, let us save the people of Lango. They have had enough wars in the past. Now they want to see development. If Bete Amongi is bringing development, take it. If Jenna Ruth Aceng is bringing development, take it. Do they have to fight in order to bring development? Why? Who is attacking the other? And why is that person attacking the other? And yes, both of them are leaders. I like that person who says, you people in NRM tell us. Now we are also going to ask the president that with their problems in Lango, which must be dealt with, because it is affecting NRM support, but it's also affecting stability. Instead of people working to produce, there are people reverting to fighting one another. But also to find out, is it true? There are some people involved in corruption, and because of corruption, they want to fight Honorable Ruth Aceng. That one we shall find out, and then we shall report back later.
Okay. Thank you very much. And I think that would be the last message.
The last message, I want to thank the management of Unity FM, specifically my brother and senior colleague, Mzee Onapa. Mzee Onapa, I worked with him during NRM elections. He gave us airtime for us to do messages for NRM. And I want to promise you that come the elections, there is no way I can abandon the Unity FM when it comes to Lango and other areas and other media houses. But for now, I'm in Unity. We are also planning, I'm going to find out from my team, we are also planning a syndicated program for the Secretary General as we conclude the tour. But you are going to work with my staff, somebody called the Ambrose Katunda, to see how this one can be coordinated so that the Secretary General can talk to the people of Lango in the language that they understand in a way that we are prepared for development. I want to thank you, my hosts.
Thank you very much.
And my brother who?
Kim
for the translation. I don't know whether you translated well. But thank you very much for the translation and for the opportunity to be here to talk about NRM work.
Thank you very much, Honorable Emmanuel. Kim,
Exports